At Team Z, we're offering you reliable and versatile tools for both work and home. We save you time, stress, and money as you conquer repair, crafting, and renovation projects. Our easy-to-use TZ-B1 model has 2 fixed temperature settings, while the M1 adds an LCD display and long press variable temperature settings. For safety and cooling, both M1 and P1 have 10-second delay auto-off. Our fast heating tools have UL, US, Canada certified cable and built-in stands. The P1 model uses a bright backlit LCD display for low light conditions, as well as a memory function to pick up later. So whether it's B1, M1, or P1, Team Z is the team for your home.